Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Studio Gallery in the backyard with everybody mowing their lawn, trying to get ready before the storm comes. And I have just done 2 black and whites and not accomplished what I really wanted to as far as using color, but I love the black and whites that I got. So I'm really thinking that if I give myself a little bit of color to start with on some white, if I have to have black or gold or something, I can do that. I just want to give myself enough puddle so that when I tip, the paint will flow and roll. Whoops, maybe not off yet. But I have edge catchers somewhere around here. I might have one that I could still use. And it doesn't matter to me what... I don't know what I was going to say. Anyway, so I have wonderful mica powders. And I mixed them the same way I mix my paint. I mixed it with GAC 800 to begin with. And then I mixed it with some... I'm going to interrupt myself. I need to put some black in the bottom to see what happens with this. So I am just going to give myself something to shovel into. These are all mica colors. There's no paint other than that black paint. I'm going to put some black, some gold in there in a second, hopefully. And it's probably a very extravagant thing I'm doing right now. Actually, I lied. I want some silver in there. It's still, I can't add enough Floetrol to that. It stays silver. So we'll just give that. The reason I'm using all the mica powders is because I feel like if I have a chance at all for anything to stay on the surface, that's the way it's going to go. And scrape off the bottom. And I like the way mica powder sells, so I'm expecting something exciting to happen. I hope I'm right. And I don't know if it's going to disappear or not. That's why I tried to use a little bit less than a full boatload of white. I wasn't trying to cover the whole canvas with the white. I am, like I said, wow, my dish is really pretty. I am going to use an edge catcher as soon as I find one. I am going to use a Princeton Argil Catalyst spatula so I don't waste any color. Pardon my neighbor mowing his lawn. Oh, that's our lawn. Oh, wow. Okay. It looks like you're not going to see the end of this unless I'm really fast. So, that's interesting. Let's grab anything and see what happens really fast, because otherwise they're going to be in here. Wesley! They're going to be in here in a heartbeat. How fast can she create a painting? I don't know. We're going to find out in a minute. I'm going to scrape up what's over there. Keep on moving it because I'm going to have to call it good. So if you love what I do, there's a contest running every month for contributors, and if you want to be a contributor, please look for the PayPal or Patreon links underneath the video and on the channel, YouTube channel header, and you'll be automatically entered. If you want to find tools or my mica powders, they are on the Amazon link directly below the video. I'm losing some of my colors. I'm very tempted to, wow, I'm going to lose all kinds of stuff in a second because they're going to come in here with pollen and things right up in the air. So I'm going to try and dump off some of that because that's what I want to do. And at least we got our experiment, you know, it was fast. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying thank you for joining me. Thank you for 72,000 of you. I may not be able to finish this right now, but it behooves me not to try. All mica and some black, and a dot or two of silver. But basically, it's pretty. I don't know what made me think that I was going to get away with that. I've got other mica powder, and we're going until I can't go anymore. I'm not wasting a drop of this. I'm going to try and get it inside as quick as I can. Let's just go for the bamboo skewer and see what it does. And then I will have to say goodbye. I can't believe they're mowing my lawn right now. I should have remembered that. It was raining not very long ago, so I thought it was never going to happen. Anyway, so that's kind of pretty. And my edges are mostly covered. And I'm going to use my spatula and whatever's on it to make sure that the rest are covered. And then I'm going to go stash this inside where the pollen and the grass seed and the dirt that's going to result is going to come up. So I love you guys. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, begging for your thumbs up to tell the YouTube algorithm to where to place my video, and asking you to watch more videos because that helps too. And I'll be out of here right now, and I'll see you soon, probably in the next video. Check the end screens for the contest and the 725 videos that are in my playlist and my website. If you want to check that out, you can communicate with me. If you want to purchase any artwork, you can request it through there. And the same for taking lessons in Spring Hill at the house. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Can I zoom in? I don't know. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.